Hello, my name is Zoe and I'm the founder of Go-To, and I'm very happy to be here today to take you through how I do my skin and makeup every day. I've already cleansed my face and I've used our Swipeys. I had a bit of a big weekend, which is unusual for me, but my skin is feeling a little bit dry and a little bit sad. So I'm going to be using our sheet mask, Transformazing. I rely on these masks whenever I need to look good for a shoot or an event, or conversely, after that event, the next morning when my skin is pretty disgusting and very dry. Now, there's no elegant way to do this. Oh my God, where's the face? I'm just gonna try my best to look as least serial killy as possible. So the thing about this is it's basically like a serum. As we all know, sheet masks are like a big hit of serum. And we made us super hydrating so that yes, you get instant glow, but you also have amazing skin for the few days afterwards as well. The thing about this also, it doesn't drip, so you can get on with life. You can do your fake tan, brush your teeth, feed your children breakfast, whatever. Yes. This is how you selfie with a sheet mask on. Don't ever try and do it without glasses. The glasses are critical. Okay. After, say, 10 minutes, just remove. And the thing obviously about sheet masks is you don't wash, you just push it all into the skin. And that's how you get that lovely glow. Next up, I'm gonna put face hero on because I put it on every day, so why wouldn't I? Everyone does it differently. I just press it in and really make sure it's pushed right up to the neck, of course. And onto Zincredible. Obviously, we all wear SPF every day. What I love about Zincredible is that it's a moisturizer and it also acts as a primer, plus you get the SPF. I love it, it looks amazing under my makeup, so I wear it every single day. So what I like to do, because I'm constantly chasing glow, is mix in a little bit of luminizer with my base, and I'm just using a tinted moisturizer today because I don't need too much coverage. That's lovely, isn't it? Very nice. I know it seems a bit shimmery, but I kind of love that. You can always take it down with powder later. I don't try and cover my face up too much with base, but I do need a little bit of concealer under my eyes and over my pigmentation, so I just spot conceal. I don't go for the whole mask look. I find that if I get that whole triangle down there, it just reflects heaps of light. It makes me look awake, which is always what I need as mother of 2 young children. And I have pigmentation, which doesn't really bother me because concealer. I live for cream and gel and liquid blushes. I find them a bit more youthful than a powder, and because I get fine lines around my eyes because I smile a lot, I try and keep it all sort of dewy and creamy. If you do put too much on, just keep pushing it in. I don't mind. It's good to put a bit of foundation or concealer on your eyelids if you want your shadow to pop and behave itself and stay in place all day. I have really veiny eyelids, so I definitely need to do this every day. And also it brightens them up a little bit. I used to do like brown, dark eye makeup, and then once I had children and got tired and started running a business, I just needed things that made me look bright. So I use pink shadows now, which is not something I thought I'd say, but I like this world of pink shimmers. And I'm really basic. I just close my eyes and do a windscreen wiper back and forth. The idea being that it takes 0 time and there's no tricky blending. I don't use eyeliner, I find it aging on me, and then it makes my eyes look smaller, and I don't even do lower lash line. And I find that with blue and green eyes, pinks and peaches and plums are really cute and make your eyes pop. And just keep checking and adding more and more. As a busy person, I'm a big advocate for long-term beauty stuff, so I make sure that I get my brows tinted and shaped, you know, maybe every 6 weeks. And I actually have lash extensions on at the moment, which means I won't be applying mascara, but when I do, it's always tubular because I have no time for panda eyes. Anyway, over to the brows. I still fill them in and set them every single day because brows make the face. For me, it's the more imperfect, the better. I just want to make sure that tail is always right, but that the front of the brow is always a bit less perfect and a bit more natural. And you know what, it doesn't have to be perfect when you fill them in because you're just going to use the spoolie and brush them up. And luckily for all of us, we live in a time when the more fluffy and imperfect the brow, the better. Always set the brows. I like mine up. Up, 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 up. It makes me feel like I've had a little baby facelift, maybe? Boom. I'm just gonna finish by setting with not a loose powder or anything that will make my skin look older, but a nice sort of shimmery bronzer. I'm just gonna push it in. I like that little trick about on the nose, even though sometimes I leave the house and look a little bit silly because I didn't check it close in the mirror. Just make sure it's looking good. If I'm feeling adventurous and I can do touch-ups, I'll wear a really bright lip, but most of the time I'll just go for a nude lip, a nice creamy lipstick or a gloss, just to finish the look off. Ah, this is gorgeous. Voila, that's me. It's quick, it's easy, it's glowy, it looks like I'm polished and I actually take care of myself, and that's all I need for day to day. I really like it. I feel like me.